So this video is to demonstrate the chat application I've recently developed. So these are the 6 features which we're going to cover right now. So yeah, let's get into it. So I'm gonna start the application right away. As we can see, the application is launched and we have it right here. So what's the first thing we're gonna cover? So I'm going to show this one first. User without valid username and password should not be able to log in, right? So as we can see, this is our database. We don't have any records. It's pretty empty right now. So I'm going to go ahead and type some random values just to check. As we can see, it shows invalid credentials. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new user. I'm just using my name, and yeah, pretty much I'm creating a user and it says it's registered successfully. So I'm gonna test it out. So registered user should be able to log in. So I'm doing like this. Anyone can register for a new account. We've done that. So, and as we can see, it even shows the data in the database. And then we are explaining this one. Newly registered users can log into the system, and I'm trying to log into the system. And there we go. We are in the system. So I'm gonna duplicate this tab and create one more account. Okay. And it says it's registered successfully, and as we can see, that values and data is also reflected right here in the MongoDB database, and with the same credentials I can log in. Now we even have one more feature to cover. It is, let's say I'm using the same username which is already registered and trying to create a new user. It should throw an error. So as we can see, I've tried to do that and it says the username is taken. So now I'm going to demonstrate logged in only authenticated users can send and receive messages. Just a second, I'm gonna do this so that we can see clearly. Hey, as you can see, only authenticated users can send and receive messages between themselves, and I'm gonna show this feature as well. Unauthenticated users should not be able to send and receive messages. So I'm gonna go ahead, copy this link, and use the chatbot application we have right here, and I'm gonna do this. Yeah, so that we can see clearly. As you can see, these messages are only transmitted between these two guys and only communicated between these two guys, and the chatbot is not able to see this. So that pretty much covers everything, I suppose. Only a valid user can log into the system with a valid username and password. We've tried this one in the first case. Invalid user ID and password cannot log in. That works. And authenticated users can send and receive messages. We've done that. We've done this one as well. Unauthenticated users cannot be able to see messages or receive messages. So, and we've done this too. We've registered 2 accounts, and even the database is reflected in MongoDB. And we have newly registered users can also log in into the server. And yeah, after the chatting is done or session is done, you can even use this logout button to get out of the system, like this. That pretty much covers everything we have for the demo of this application. Thank you.